Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter. Before you begin, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. This crucial step prevents accidental electrical shorts while working. Gather all your necessary tools, including a socket set, wrenches, and a sturdy jack with 2 robust jack stands. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a firm, level surface to maintain stability throughout the repair process. With safety measures in place, it's time to prepare for accessing the starter. Carefully lift the front of your vehicle using a reliable jack, then immediately secure it with 2 robust jack stands. Next, locate the starter motor, which is usually found on the lower passenger side of the engine. You might need to remove a few components, like a splash shield or a section of the exhaust, to gain clear access. Now, let's focus on removing the old starter. First, disconnect the main battery cable and the smaller solenoid wire from the starter terminals. These are typically secured with nuts. Next, using a suitable socket wrench, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the starter firmly in place. Once the bolts are out, carefully wiggle and maneuver the old starter out from its confined position beneath the vehicle. With the old starter removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new starter into place and secure it with its 2 or 3 mounting bolts, tightening them firmly. Reconnect both the main battery cable and the smaller solenoid wire to their respective terminals on the new starter. Reinstall any components you removed earlier, then safely lower your vehicle. Finally, reconnect the negative battery cable and test your new starter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.